What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. And today we're going to be diving right into showing you guys how to fully 100% clean a either USB drive is what we're doing today. Wham bam. But this also works for hard drives, SSDs, and a lot of times little SD cards, they get corrupted for a bad format or just something happens to them. They're not recognized. And then the normal Windows format utility can't do anything with it. This is a way to fix it. So let's dive right into it, and I'll explain some of the benefits of using this other software, which is actually built into Windows. You don't have to download anything. And yeah, let's jump into it. So changing over here. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you have a USB drive and open up this PC. You can type in this PC down in your search and see what it pops up as. So right here, this JGJIHJ, I just typed in a bunch of random letters and stuff. It is the F drive. It's a 14.3 gig. It's actually a 16 gig, but you never get the full gigs nowadays. Thumb drive, I plugged it in there. The next thing I want you guys to do is to go over and check and type in format, F-O-R-M-A-T, and then you should see something that says create and format hard disk partitions. We're not going to use this software right this second, but this is a good way to find out what drive letter your actual disk is, or sorry, your disk number. So you scroll down here, and disk number 3 is the 14.3 gigabyte F drive, and that is our USB. So remember disk 3, we're going to need that here in a second. Next thing you're going to go is open up the command prompt. So type in CMD down the bottom left, right click on command prompt, run as administrator. That will give you this screen right here. Then you're going to need to type in disk part. So DISKPART. Hit enter. That'll come up with Microsoft Disk Part version 10 point blah 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 blah. Copyright Microsoft Corporation. This is a older piece of software. It's been around for a long time, and it's a very dangerous piece of software. If you select the wrong disk, it will straight up wipe and get rid of your information. So be very, very careful you select the right disk. Double, triple check yourself. Make sure it's the right disk that you're wiping. So now that it says disk part, that means it's running disk part. We're going to need to do list disk, D-L-I-S-T, D-I-S-K. Oh, sorry, L-I-S-T space D-I-S-K. If you type in a command that's not recognized, it comes up and shows you all the different commands you can run, or you can also type in help, I believe. But type in list disk, then it'll show your disks 0, 1, 2, 3 online and the size. So my disk number 3 is online. Don't ever work with a drive that says offline. It actually won't work. You need to unplug and plug it back in. That happens to thumb drives sometimes when they're plugged in for a long time, I've noticed. But disk 3 is the 14 gig removable drive. That lines up with over here, 14 gig disk 3, and in this PC, it's a 14 gig removable drive. So we'll go back over here, and we're going to go to select disk. So select space disk. SELECT space 3, hit enter, and disk 3 is now the selected disk. Then all you got to type in is clean, C-L-E-A-N. After you do that, disk part succeeded in cleaning the disk. Please insert a disk into drive F. What you're going to do now, because this drive is not happy, and the reason why it's not happy is because it's not formatted. It is an unallocated, bare bones drive, and Windows doesn't know what to do with it. Before I do anything, I always like to unplug the drive when it's done. You wait till it says it's succeeded. Unplug the drive and plug it back in. Hold on, I'll explain why in a second. All right, so we unplugged it, we plugged it back in. Please insert a disk into drive F, like it's not recognizing it correctly. So you're gonna wanna go to your disk management. To get back to this, you just type in format, F-O-R-M-A-T, create and format hard disk partitions. Then you'll go down and find your unallocated drive. And you can right click, new simple volume. Next, next, next. I'm just gonna pick all the standard stuff here. Next, next, next. Roll through that. Look at that, new simple volume G. We go click on this PC. There it is, G, 14.3 gigabytes. There is our drive, and it has no additional partitions. So if you'll notice, and boom, you're done, by the way. That's over. Then the drive is ready to install Hive onto. If you need a guide on how to install Hive, I'll put that down below. You can use the old style using Etcher, or you can use the new style, which is their software. It's actually pretty easy, but I'll put the link down below. Now, some of the advantages of using this way instead of going in here and deleting partitions, whenever you install Hive, it's recognized as a operating system. And when you're inside of your operating system, it won't, with disk management, this utility, it won't let you delete all of those partitions. There's one or two partitions that it just won't let you delete. I don't care what you do. It won't let you format over them. It won't let you delete them. The only way is with a different piece of software, and you can use DiskPart because it's actually just built right into Windows. Some people use other softwares. That's fine too. I just like that one because it's simple and it's there. If you do something wrong, or if you have a drive that's corrupted, you plug it in, it doesn't know what to do, try plugging it in, cleaning the drive, and then going into disk management and setting it up as a new volume, basically reformatting it once you clean it, and you'll be surprised. This has brought back, after I learned this trick, a good buddy of mine actually in the Discord showed it to me. It's not a trick, it's old school, good old bare bones knowledge, but done one too many. Big shout out to him. He showed me this, and I've used it on a few of my drives that I've had issues with, and it's actually brought them back to life. So there was nothing wrong with them. It just, Windows did not know how to handle the partition or the format. Something was wonky there. Obviously, I am not a professional. This is just, a dude sitting in a garage trying to help y'all out. So if you have any questions, please comment down below. This has been working for me for quite some time now. I use it a lot because I am really, really bad about yanking USBs out and jamming USBs in. I really don't. I never eject them or do the thing that you're supposed to do, like unplug them correctly. I just yank them. But yeah, with that being said, hold on one second. There we are. With that being said, I want to thank you guys for coming out. I really do appreciate it. If you already use this software, please, I'd love to hear your feedback down below. Be like, man, I've been using that since 1993, bro, back in the day. If you don't and you found this video helpful, I'd love to hear your feedback also. And a lot of people are asking me if I reply back to my videos in my comment section. Normally, if you want to get me to reply back, the easiest way is to go to my newest video and comment on it within the first 12 hours, because I'll put a video up at night, and then the next day I try to log in and comment or comment or reply back to at least probably the first 50 to 100 comments. It's really hard because on average per day I get about 500 to 1,000 comments, and that, it ranges, but it's I can't keep up with them. So I'm sorry about that. If you've commented something, especially something useful, worthwhile, or beneficial, and I haven't been able to see it or acknowledge it, that's my bad. But yeah, so I do videos, or I try to do videos every night and have them uploaded. But yeah, that's it. That's how the cookie crumbles. With that being said, y'all have a good night. I got some Christmas wrapping to do. Got to get ready for old Saint Nick. I don't think Santa Claus got me any GPUs this year, but I mean, I guess I got myself enough GPUs. Yeah. Later, guys. By the way, do y'all like my hat? It's a little excavator on there. Ha 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 ha.